Hey guys, it's Jennifer Wilson, your guide, Simple Scrapper. Welcome back to the Great Stash Bash. In this video, I'm going to share the most overlooked organizational project when it comes to scrapbookers. You're going to be totally surprised, and I'll have a tool linked down below that will help you get this done right away. If you've been around Simple Scrapper for a while, you may have noticed that my albums were not labeled. There were some inconsistencies. Some had completed labels, but not too many. A few had the original white strips from the manufacturer, and many had no labels at all. Recently, I completely reorganized my shelves behind my workspace, and one of the first things I did was finally sit down and properly label my albums. I used a Microsoft Word template that I had created for myself, and I've included the link for that down below, which made it super easy to print labels for all of my albums at exactly the right size. One of the biggest benefits of finally labeling my albums has been the opportunity to really think about my album structure. I've found ways to consolidate pages into a smaller number of albums, as well as gained further clarity on how I want to structure my albums going forward. Your challenge is to label your albums, and if you've already done so, think of one way that you can further improve your system. Before you go, make sure to enter our giveaway for a seat in Refresh. Refresh is our 7-day online scrapbooking retreat designed to help you start fresh in memory keeping each and every season. The next session is coming up in April. To win a seat, simply leave a comment on this video sharing your progress in using up, decluttering, or organizing your stash of scrapbook supplies. You may optionally include a link to a blog post, Instagram post, or YouTube video where you're sharing this progress with others. You must be registered for the Great Stash Bash to be eligible. Please check the description box for the registration link and the deadline to enter the giveaway.